Hi, I'm Brett Makepeace. I'm the Head of Talent Acquisition.
I'm Jacqueline Hart-Davies, Head of People Operations here at Ozow.
So when we kick off a process with a candidate, I think the first thing that always jumps out is obviously industry experience and their experience as a whole and how it matches to the role.
The people at Ozow who really are successful in their roles are those that are career driven. You know, they're really passionate about what they do.
I get asked a lot of questions about career progression, and you know better than we do. We've got those key pillars. So performance, learning and development, mentorship, and going above and beyond.
Like Brett said, you have to be happy with constantly evolving and changing, not resist the change. And I suppose the same thing, you know, with our team being so smart, you're constantly learning from them, and you have to be open to that discomfort of the change. You
want to put your hand up at any given time. We as a business hire specialists, but you could one day be doing something so different. But it's about doing it with the mindset of wanting to collaborate, wanting to work with another colleague, wanting to help out in whatever way you can with whatever project you're busy with.
We have this thing at Ozow where never be afraid to ask the dumb questions, and you know, you're not going to know everything. We work with exceptionally smart people, but at the same time, they're specialists in their field. So it's about expanding your knowledge so you know how to engage with different people and problem solve.
You've got to think bigger picture all the time, whether you've just started in the business or not. There's always that opportunity to look at innovative ways of doing something differently. I think the impact you can have at any level within the business is so huge, and I think that can be quite daunting for someone new to the business.
At Ozow, one of our values is innovation. So it's always about not around just using technology, but you know, problem solving and really thinking about the solution before you just give the problem. So it's about that person that is excited to solve the problem.
I think anybody that sits in front of an interview panel, whether it's with Ozow or anywhere else, the first thing that comes up is enthusiasm. It is palpable in a conversation whether the person is enthusiastic about what they do or not. And I know it's the first thing I look for. Curiosity is the next one. I want to speak to people who want to know more. I might not have all the answers, but if they're asking the questions, that's what sticks out in my mind, and if they're asking the right questions. And then the last thing is just being yourself. Like, I think a lot of people spend a lot of time over preparing. I know I've done it before as well. I walked out of an interview once and I didn't even like myself. It was horrendous, but you've got to find that fine line between being prepared, knowing what you want to get out of that conversation, but also still being yourself, because it just allows you to better connect with the person, and I suppose you have to show what you're going to be like on a day-to-day basis.